Hi, first grade mathematicians. So today we are going to be combining what you learned last week and what you've been learning this week together to help us solve math word problems. So if you remember, think back to last week, you guys learned about the new math vocabulary words, shorter and longer, or short and long. And you learned how to put different objects into order based on clues. This week, you are learning about using different measuring instruments to help you figure out the length of an object. We're going to take those two things and we're going to put them together to help us solve word problems today. So our big goal, mathematicians, is to carefully read clues in a word problem and then draw the clues so that they can place objects into order by length to solve the word problem. Okay, so our goal is to read the word problem, draw what we're reading, and then place the objects into order by length. Let's take a look over here. Okay, so here is my word problem. Okay, I'm going to first read it just to read it, and then I'm going to read it again, but I'm going to unlock the problem. I'm going to figure out what I need to find out and what information I need to use. Okay, so the blue ribbon is about 4 paper clips long. The red ribbon is 1 paper clip long. The green ribbon is 2 paper clips longer than the red ribbon. Measure and draw the ribbons in order from shortest to longest. Okay, so what do I need to find out? I need to find out which ribbon is shortest, which is longest. So I'm going to just type that right in there. Measure from shortest to longest. Okay, and then what information do I have? Well, I have colored ribbons and how many paper clips long they are. Okay, now this is not going to give me enough space that I'm going to need because I'm going to have to move some things around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some scrap paper space on the bottom of this page to help me draw out what I need to draw out. Okay, so remember, I'm going to go back, I'm going to reread each clue. Now, the clues aren't the same as when we saw it in one of our previous lessons. I think it was lesson 9.2. It doesn't say like clue 1, clue 2, clue 3. Instead, it's just sentences. So I'm going to read each sentence as if they are a clue. All right. The blue ribbon is about 4 paper clips long. So I'm going to take 4 paper clips. I'm going to put it along this first line, and then I'm going to draw a blue ribbon. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is for my blue ribbon. So I'm going to take my blue pen and I'm going to draw it as long as my paper clips are. Okay. Okay. Now, let me read the second sentence again. The red ribbon is 1 paper clip long. Oh, okay. So now I'm just going to grab 1 paper clip, place it where I need to, and I'm going to take my red pen and I'm going to draw my red ribbon to be about 1 paper clip long. A little bit longer, so let me just erase that. Okay. And let me look at the next sentence for the next clue. The green ribbon is 2 paper clips longer than the red ribbon. Ooh, that's tricky because it's not saying that the green ribbon is 2 paper clips long. It's saying that it's 2 paper clips longer than the red. So I have to think about, okay, I know the red is 1 paper clip long. I have to do this amount of red plus 2 more to show how big green is. So I'm going to take this will represent the 1 paper clip for the red, and then I'm going to do 2 more. So 1, 2, 3. That must mean that green is 3 paper clips long. And I'm going to use the green marker or pen to show that. Okay. Again, I went over a little bit, but I can fix that. All right. Ooh. Look here, though. Am I done solving this problem? Because it says that we need to put it in order from shortest to longest. Her ribbon's in order from shortest to longest? What do you guys think? If you said no, you're right. This is not shortest to longest. But it is helpful because now I can draw in here what is shortest to longest. So what is our shortest one? The one with red. So I'm going to take my red and I'm going to draw a short line. And then what comes next? Well, this has 1, 2, 3, 4 paper clips, the blue ribbon, and the green has 3 paper clips. So the next one's got to be the green. So let me get my green pen and I'm going to go longer than the red. Okay. And then the blue is basically one more paper clip longer than the green. So I'm going to take my blue and I'm going to make it longer than the green. Now is my problem in order from shortest to longest? It is, and I use the clues. Sorry about that. And I use the clues to help me figure that out. Okay, we're going to try again with this next problem. Okay, so our first step is going to be to read the whole thing. Our second step is going to be to reread each sentence at a time and draw. And then we will put them into order. All right. Zach has 3 ribbons. The yellow ribbon is about 4 paper clips long. The orange ribbon is about 3 paper clips shorter than the yellow ribbon. But this is going to be tricky. And the blue ribbon is 2 paper clips longer than the yellow ribbon. Okay, now I read the whole thing. It says measure and draw the ribbons in order from longest to shortest. So it wants me to go from longest to shortest instead of shortest to longest this time. All right, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to reread the first sentence and I'm going to draw it. Zach has 3 ribbons. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's where they're going to go. The yellow ribbon is about 4 paper clips long. Okay, let me draw that. I'm going to make the yellow ribbon first. 4 paper clips long. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here's my yellow ribbon. Okay, so that's done. Let me read the next part. The orange ribbon is 3 paper clips shorter than the yellow. Okay, so I see that my yellow is 4 paper clips long. My orange is going to be 3 shorter. So that means it's not going to have this one. It won't have this one, and it won't have this one. Oh, so that means it must be only 1 paper clip. So I'm going to put 1 paper clip here. Is that 3 shorter? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 3 shorter. So my orange one must only be 1 paper clip long. Okay, and now let's take a look at the next line. The blue ribbon is 2 paper clips longer than the yellow ribbon. Okay, so that means my blue ribbon is 2 longer. So that means I have to add 2 more to what I have on yellow to figure out how long my blue is. So I'm going to do the same as yellow plus 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 'So this is what yellow is, and I gotta do 2 more in order to make the blue. So 1, 2. Let me just double check. The blue ribbon is 2 paper clips longer than the yellow ribbon. Okay. It says long as the yellow ribbon plus 2 more. So I am ready to draw my blue ribbon. Alrighty. I drew it all out, but is it in order from longest to shortest, like the problem's asking me? No, it's not. Okay, so which is the longest? What do you think, first graders? If you said blue, you're right. Look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paper clips long. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw my blue ribbon in the first space. I'm going to make it long, about 6 paper clips long. And I'm going to write that it's about 6 paper clips long. Okay. And then what's my second one? What's that middle one? Not the shortest. If you said yellow, you're right, because it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to draw my yellow ribbon next. And it's going to be shorter than the blue, but not the shortest. Here's my yellow. And that was about 1, 2, 3, 4 paper clips long. So I'm going to put 4 here. And of course, our shortest, if you said orange, you're correct. So our orange one was only about 1 paper clip long. We figured out. So I'm going to make it very short and put the number 1 because it was about 1 paper clip long. All right. Okay. So I know that this was a lot of information to take in for the day. Remember that you can always look back at these videos to help you when you're doing your independent work. Okay. So you're going to click off of this video and you're going to go right into the link that says 9.5 independent work. You're going to get started. Okay. Good luck, first graders. And if you do need any help, please just reach out to your teachers. Have a good day.